Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill Class 6 English Version Math Exercise 2.3. Question number 24. A school student crosses 10 kilometers in 2 hours by cycling from his house to school. How many kilometers does he run in 6 days and what is his speed? So school and house. He goes to school and comes back. Total distance he crosses is 10 kilometers. Distance is 10 kilometers. For going and for coming back together, total distance is 10 kilometers. Question is asking how many kilometers does he run in 6 days? So because we have to find out the kilometers, we have to put kilometers on the right and days on the left. So we can write in 1 day, student crosses how many kilometers? 10 kilometers. Therefore, in 6 days, we have to find out kilometers in 6 days. In 6 days, student cross 6 multiply 10 kilometers equals to 60 kilometers. And the question is asking what is his speed? Speed means distance crossed in 1 hour. Distance crossed in 1 hour. So we put kilometer on the right and hours on the left. So we can write in 2 hours distance crossed 10 kilometers. Therefore, in 1 hour distance crossed will be less. So we divide by 2. So 10 by 2 kilometers. If we simplify and divide both by 2, it will be 5 and this will be 1. That means 5 kilometers. Therefore, we can say speed is 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour. Question number 25. Walking 10 hours daily, Robin crosses 480 kilometers in 12 days. In how many days can he cross 360 kilometers walking 9 hours daily? We already found in 1 hour, Robin crossed 4 kilometers. Now when walking 9 hours daily, walking 9 hours daily, how many kilometers he crossed in 1 day? So Robin crossed in 1 day 9 multiply 4. 9 multiply 4 kilometers equals to 36 kilometers. So he crossed 36 kilometers in 1 day. So can we find how many days needed to cross 360 kilometers? Yes. So we put day on the right because we have to find out the days. Therefore, we can say Robin crossed 36 kilometers in one day. This is when walking 9 hours daily. So Robin crossed 36 kilometers in one day. Therefore, Robin crossed 1 kilometer in, it will be less. So 1 by 36 day. Therefore, Robin crossed 360 kilometer in, we multiply, it will be more. So 360 multiply 1 divided by 36 day. If we simplify, divide both by 36, this will be 10 and this will be 1, equals to 10 days. Question number 26. Jalal crossed 9 kilometer path in each 3 hours. How many hours does he need to cross 36 kilometers? So we have to find out how many hours. So we put hours on the right and kilometer on the left. So Jalal crossed 9 kilometers in 3 hours. We start from here. Jalal crossed 9 kilometers in 3 hours. Therefore, we can say Jalal crossed 1 kilometer. It is unitary method we are doing. So it will be less. So divide 3 by 9 hours. Therefore, kilometer. Jalal crossed 36 kilometers in, it will be more. So multiply by 36. Divide by 9. If we simplify, it will be 4. If we divide both by 9, it will be 4 and this will be 1, equals to 12 hours. So Jalal crossed 36 kilometers in 12 hours. That is the answer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.